Hello everyone, our today's PowerToys tool is called Screen Ruler. Screen Ruler is a quick and easy way to measure pixels on your screen. It's straightforward. Okay, so this is useful for, I think, graphics designer, web designer and web developer. Okay, in many cases we have to use Chrome ruler extension or many other screenshot tools to find out the measurement. Okay, in these cases you can use this Screen Ruler by PowerToys. You can see you have to define activation key here, Windows Shift M. This is my activation key. Let's click this one, Windows Shift M. Okay, so this is the tools here. You can see you can define the bounds. Control 1, there's a shortcuts, Control 1, Control 2, Control 3 and Control 4. This is for vertical spacing measurement, this is for horizontal spacing measurement. You can use this spacing for both horizontal and vertical, and this is for manually selection. Okay, so let's see. I want to here is it. You can see this is the text here, enable Screen Ruler. I want to get the height and width of this. Okay, so how can I use this one? First of all, I can get the horizontal height, vertical height, which is one is 628. Let I just click this one. If I click this one, the value is copied here. You can see, and I also want to know the horizontal spacing for this one. Just I come here, you see 998. Just click and paste your value. Okay, so there is another magical thing for both horizontal and vertical spacing measurement. You can see this one is this. Now if I go, see this is blocked here. If I go just below it, you can see I measured the horizontal spacing and vertical spacing at the same time. Just click here, it will be copied in your clipboard and just paste. Okay, so this is an amazing things. Also you can do what you can do, last result is manually selecting the spacing here. You can see this is the spacing 997 and 69. Okay, so I think you can see this will work on any surface. Let's just go to a website, just click on escape, just go to a website. Let's say I want to know the width and height of this card. Okay, just I will just click here, I will come here. You can see I can easily get the values from here. Just I come here and spacing. So this is a small video of the PowerToys Screen Ruler function. Okay, our tools. Okay, so I think if you are a web developer or designer or graphics designer, this can be very helpful to you to measure various things from anywhere. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.